It's really common to see designers using Lorem Ipsum or other forms of placeholder text as a way to have some text to work with while they're working through a design problem, but not to worry about the specific content that they're going to use until later on. And one of the big problems with this, I always like to say that a good user experience emerges from the content, not the container that you put it in. So when you're working with Lorem Ipsum, it's really tempting to grab just the right amount of Lorem Ipsum text to fit the space that you've allocated. But then you end up with these prototypes that are beautiful, symmetrical, balanced, but by the time you actually put the product into production and add your real content, the hierarchy might start to break down. You might start to see a headline wrap awkwardly into 3 lines, or worst of all, your calls to action might use terminology that are unclear to users. And these are all much bigger problems for the user experience than having a perfectly designed container. So real content's going to give you a lot of cues about how to make the clarity emerge from it and how to design pages that have a sense of hierarchy and priority and tell users where to look and what's important. And Lorem Ipsum doesn't give you any of that. It's kind of like buying clothes without trying them on first. So they might look great on a model, but when you actually try them on, they might not fit so well. And it's a lot easier to return a pair of jeans than it is to redesign your whole website right before you launch it.